Alright, just doing the finishing touches, and the machine's done. Oh my god! What is going on?! Oh no! Uh-oh, there goes the pros. What's gonna happen? No! Oh my god! Oh my god! What? What? I'm in Egypt?
Nah, this straight line's going so well, man. Let's go. All right, let's continue going this way. And what the? Wait, was that the warden? Oh nah. Yeah, we are not going that way, man. Woo, man, I dodged a bullet there. That could have been really.